is up, everybody? We are back with another video. It's gonna be a short video today, but a real Bassin jigs came in and I couldn't be more excited. About 5 of them in there that I ordered. And like I said, we're gonna do the opening with y'all and see what we got. I can't remember the colors I ordered, but we are about to get started because I just cannot wait any longer to open these up. All right, there we go. Get that opened up. All right, we got them opened up now. Get the papers. One thing about Real Bassin is every time they send something out, they send their business card. So there that is. Everybody wanting any contact information on them. Without further ado, here's our bag. Let's check these babies out. All right, which one do we want to go with first? I know I ordered 2 of the same ones. I just really liked the color of them. But we'll start with the black and blue first. Can't go wrong with black and blue. Try to do this without getting the hook in my finger. Well, this is more of a brown and blue. Okay. I don't have this particular color at all. It's got some, look at that. I'll grab it by the whisker there, the guard. That's a pretty color. I'm really loving that color blue, that royal blue, and that brown. That's gonna do really well. All right, we'll go with the chartreuse one that I bought now. That is a very, very pretty color. I'm still in shock over it. All right, we'll reach in here, grab that hook without stabbing ourselves. And then we got that pretty chartreuse color right there. That is gonna be a bomb bait to use. Got the flakes in there. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Got the little black in it. That's gonna be an amazing jig to use. All right, so that's our chartreuse. Like I said, this won't be a long video. Just wanted to do the opening with you, everyone. Pretty excited my jigs came in. I'm actually shooting this a day after my last video of what's in my tackle bag too. But I'm not gonna post this one just yet. I'm gonna give it a couple days before this one's released. But there is that pretty brown and purple. That is just a beautiful color. That purple's gonna give off some good flare in the water. We got another one just like it. I'm not gonna open that one up just yet, but we got another one just like it. And the last but not least is gonna be this bad boy here. This one has so many different colors in it. And it is sharp, because I just stabbed myself. But look at that head on it. Look at them colors. Got that orange, yellow, got some turquoise bluish color in there, some brown. That is gonna be a good one as well. But there we go. That is our real Bassin bass jigs that we ordered, that we've been waiting on. Got here a lot quicker than I actually thought they would. Like I said, the fifth one, same color as this one here. I ordered 2. So we're not gonna open that one up. But yeah, I mean, I think this one here, I'd like to put I'm definitely putting a trailer on this one. So long, I like that. And this one, boy, that's just the prettiest blue I've ever seen. So now, you know, we can start adding to our jig box that we've been making. I had a jig box before, you know, like I said, it was stolen. Right now we got about 6 jigs in it, 3 chatterbaits, and now we're about to put these babies in there. This one leaves us with 11 jigs. And I actually just found 2 more jigs in one of my other boxes that I was going through. So we're gonna have about 13 jigs, and you know, looks like we're gonna be doing some jig fishing this year. Definitely with these real Bassin jigs we got. But appreciate y'all for watching. You know, we're still on our way to 80 subscribers, and once we get there, we're gonna do a random giveaway, and I'll explain how that will work out for us, the rules for that. But keep smashing that thumbs up button. Keep sharing the page, showing the page love. You know, the more you share, the more we get out there. And that's the goal. You know, I'm not doing this for money. I love fishing. I love bass. And I like taking y'all along for the ride with me as I do everything. Is go through my tackle, get new tackle, and fish. So appreciate the love, and y'all stay tuned for more content.